I'm Veronica. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're going to be cooking Korean spicy chicken stew. So it's my first time. If you guys want to know what this video is about, it's in my description and the title. Alright, let's get going to open the chicken. Hey, open.
Don't be careful because juice.
Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, it's a bit juicy. Okay. Might get this clean.
Yeah, if you empty the juice out, because you'll be able to put the cut chickens back in there.
I'm going to clean the chicken. Give it a good. So it takes all the slimy stuff on it. That's done. Okay. Gonna cut to 11 pieces. So you see. Got this?
Yeah, be careful with the sharp knife because I've just sharpened it.
Put it in here?
Yeah, put it in there.
Okay. Hey! Oh, I almost cut myself.
Yeah, we'll be careful.
Now you're fucked.
Yeah.
Oh, you stop it, Mum.
Oh.
So I don't know. So let this boil. So when it boils, we're going to put this chicken in there. The water's boiled, so I'll show you guys. I'm going to put the chicken here.
Yeah.
Yep.
I wonder if you should use your tongs if you get. Don't want to get burnt. Red ones, yeah.
I don't want to have your knee.
No. Oh, well caught. Well caught. That better?
Yeah. Hey! I got wet!
Hang on. Oh dear. You got splattered. Now boil it for 10 minutes.
So I'm going to put the timer on.
Yep.
So I got wet.
Yeah.
Oh, where?
Show me. Yes.
Peel them.
So what are you doing?
Peeling. I've got to cut it.
Huh?
Got to cut it.
I'll cut that then.
See? What you didn't peel it. I put the picture.
That one got away.
Huh?
That one got away.
Peel potatoes. I'm not going to peel potatoes. I've got to cut it.
Oh, cut what? The knob.
Yes. To get it to peel. Oh, you fuck. That's weird. Oh well. Ah! No, God.
Okay. Oh, just be careful. Now you've drained your water.
Yep. And you're going to put the chicken back in.
Yep.
Little pieces of chicken.
Yep.
So.
Just, yeah, big sort of chunks. Just
Like
there.
that?
Yeah, that size. Yep. You just cut them. Yeah, cut heart. Yeah, and then chunk.
Like this?
Yeah, but then cut them into chunks.
Like that?
Yep. And halve them again.
Okay. I'll just go like this. Ah.
Yeah, well, watch out for your fingers. You should do it one at a time.
Yeah, well.
Because I don't want to be taking you down to A&E halfway through this.
Yet?
No, well, you want to put those ones in?
Oh yeah, I've got to put the carrots and potatoes in. Hold up.
Yeah, well, you've got to take the lid off.
Yeah, I know. So cut the onion.
Hang on. Oh, yes.
I might do the same thing. Like that?
Yeah, but, yeah. And then smaller.
Oops.
What's the matter?
Onions!
What have they done?
Made me cry.
Oh, okay.
What are we doing now?
Going to cut up the garlic.
Got this?
Yep.
And I'll just go.
Just big hunks, yep.
Cut it there. And I'll just do garlic. Okay. Gonna put it in the pot. In the pot. There you go. So we got
3 tablespoons.
Grande hot pepper paste.
Okay.
So how many spoons?
3 tablespoons. Just like 3 level.
3 level.
Yeah, not because that's going to be hot, Veronica. No, that's, yeah. No, need to level it out. Get a knife and flatten it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it again.
We'll put a tablespoon in. Get your knife and just over there, yeah, and just level it out.
Like that?
Yep. Yep. Oh. Yep.
What?
Yes. Uh, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Yep.
2.
Yes.
So we just put 2 in.
Yep. Get out your measuring tablespoons now.
Tablespoons?
Yeah, the orange ones.
Yeah, I know.
1 tablespoon of sugar. Yep, yes.
And this. Put it in?
Yes.
So this is next.
Yes, 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Oh. 1, 2 spoons of sesame seed oil.
Yep.
What, that one?
Yes. What are you putting in?
Sesame. What?
Sesame seeds.
Yeah, I can't pronounce it. Sorry.
Right.
Gonna mix.
Yep. Just be careful.
Mum.
Oops. Oops. Out. Out. Out.
Oops.
Oh.
Ah!
You know, I told you to be careful. Look. Okay.
The
Okay.
drop stuff is in there. Oops.
Made a mess.
I
Okay.
made a mess. So,
Empty it into the pot and mix all the...
So I mixed everything together.
Yeah, then mix, cover it, make sure it covers all the veggies in there and everything.
Use my tongs.
If you want, yep. Okay, bring that to the boil.
Thank you for watching my video, how to make Korean chicken stew. Guys, want this recipe descriptions down below. Thank you for watching. Ronnie is out. Bye.